Hi again, this is Raul. If you remember in a previous video, we talked about the sound for th when it's voiceless, when it's similar to the theta in Castilian Spanish, for words such as path, think, and bathroom. There is another sound for the th. This is a voiced sound. This sound you use also by putting your tongue between your teeth, but you use vibration of your vocal cords. Th, th. We use this sound for words like the, this, either, brother, there, and there. We will talk about the difference between these in another video. Bye.